Hello guys, welcome. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other best Faucet website you can claim just watching advertisement and Faucet claim. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Online Millionaires, and after 1 week I started making new videos because I have some problems in this duration of 1 week. Sorry about that. Okay, let's get started. This is the website link in description. This website name is BTC box. This is the old website. This is the payment website, 100% payment website for around of world. Okay, this much BTC they already pay for their users. This is their registration users. This is the impression click. This is the Faucet click. This website. Okay, this is the trusted website. This is the launcher much more years ago. Okay, and this is the new face of 2020. Every year this website changed their face, and it's easy. Link in description. If you want to register yourself, click sign up, put your username, email, password, confirm password, and click self capture. Any capture you want, or recapture or self capture. Fill a capture, click I accept, click sign up. Okay, I have already account. I go to login. Okay, sign in, put your username, password. Okay, and this is email, so me put my email. Okay, and you can choose your capture. I choose self capture because self capture is easy, and click sign in. Okay, this is my website. This much points I earn in this website. Okay, and this much Faucet claim level 2 I reached level 2, and this is very easy. You can watch ads, you can complete offers, you can complete short links, Faucet, and refer your friends. Okay, first I go to Faucet. Every 60 minutes you can come here, claim your Faucet. This is very easy. Just click this one, reload the page. Okay, then click again, solve this letter capture, live free, and click self capture. I earn 10 Satoshi. This is the all many moments you earn from this website. And you can go to complete short links. If you complete all these short links, they pay you much more. Okay, this is the all coins. Every coin pay you 1 Satoshi, and this is the all Satoshi of this website pay you to complete all these short links. Okay, and you can earn this much Satoshi from this 11 short links you can complete. And you can complete offer walls. If you know much more about offer walls, you can complete much more offer walls. You can view ads, just visit the advertisement. You can earn much more cryptocurrency. Just watch this ads up to 20 seconds. Okay, don't watch the ads, you don't lose the advertisement website. And then this timer is starting after 20 seconds. After 20 seconds they pay you 8 Satoshi. This is very easy. Okay, and okay, this website pay me instantly, no need any capture. You can claim another one too. Okay, this is very easy, and you can refer your friends to come join this website, and they pay you some of your commission, 3-level commission this website pay you. Okay, you can put banners to you on a website, and you can earn much more from these banners. Okay, this is very easy. You can put any orders you want, you can share. And I share with you the withdrawal. You can withdraw your funds. Withdraw amount for BTC is this much, for Litecoin is this much, okay, for dogecoin is this much, and this much for pair USD or Rebel 2. You can withdraw, okay. And now I have this much Satoshi, 1000 Satoshi. This website will me 10,000 Satoshi, and this is very easy to earn if you refer your friends, okay. This is a very old website, they pay you 100%. I share with you the all payment this website pays, okay. Thanks for watching guys, please subscribe to my channel, and this website link in description, you can click and register yourself. Bye bye.